Okay, hey everybody. Tonight we're making a recipe that Roman picked from this book called Food52. And so really fun and way to inspire your kids is just give them a cookbook, have them flip through it and find some things that they like. As you can see, my boys have tabbed several different things. And tonight we're making some chicken fingers, which will be really good. And so we've got several Mexican bowls ready to go, already prepped. And so the first we've got our chicken that we pounded out. What do we use to pound our chicken out with, Roman?
It's something like you use to get the lemon juice out.
The citrus press, right? So we use our citrus press to pound the chicken out in our large round mold octagonal bond mat. And then we cut them into 1-inch strips. And then in this bowl, we put 1.5 cups flour, some salt and pepper, right? Okay, and then in this bowl, we have 6 eggs. And I just want to show you how quickly and easily our mixing bowl and our whisk work to whisk these eggs up, which is really great. And so you can see, super easy and done, okay? So awesome mixing bowl and whisk. And then in this, we've got 3 cups of panko and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 teaspoons of fresh oregano chopped, and then Roman also did some salt and pepper. So we're gonna take these whisks out and get ready to go with our chicken. So I told Roman I'm gonna teach him because this is a recipe he hasn't made before, and then he can do the rest. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to put, it's gonna be faster, it's a little messy, but we're gonna put a handful of the chicken in the flour mixture and toss it around to coat, okay? Then you see once it's all coated like that, then we're gonna kind of shake the excess flour off. Then we're gonna toss it in the egg mixture and just gonna flip it over once, Roman, so that it's covered. Shake that off. And then we're gonna toss it in the panko. And then this is where we want to kind of press it in so that it sticks to the chicken. See how I do that? And then we're just moving it to the bond mat to hold in place for us, because right now what we've got is in the oven, we've got 2 deep flexi flats where we've got butter melting. And once that butter is nice and foamy, then we're gonna add the chicken to that. So. Okay, your turn. Go ahead. So you're gonna pick the chicken up, remember? Go ahead, that's fine. Start with the flour. We just toss it. And then what do? Hold it up, kind of shake it off, right?
It feels like bread right now.
Yeah, shake it off. Okay, now you dip it in the egg mixture. Perfect. Make sure they're coated, just give 1 toss. Perfect, pick them up. Oop, that's okay. And then just kind of let them drip a little bit. And then toss them in the panko. And then this is where we kind of press them in, remember? So that it coats the chicken, and then we're gonna put them on the bun mat. Good job, bud. Okay, so we heated up some butter in the oven. You can see that I can touch the flexi pan, but I wouldn't touch this pan at all. And you can see the butter is starting to brown and get foamy. And so now I'm going to add the chicken pieces to the butter, which is really gonna give it this awesome fried effect. And normally in our flexi pan, you don't have to flip things, but so that the butter coats both sides, I will cook these for 10 minutes and then I'll flip them over to get the other side. Okay, we're making some broccolini, also known as
baby broccoli,
to go with the dinner tonight. And so honestly, I don't know what the rules are with broccolini, but what we like to do is trim these little leaves off of the broccolini, and then I just like to snap them like I snap my asparagus to just trim up the edges. And so now we've got it all washed and drained with our colander scoop, and now we're gonna put it on our bond mat and perforated baking sheet. And Roman, what are you gonna do next, bud?
I am going to drizzle rosemary. Okay, I can't get this.
I'll get it. Okay.
Rosemary oil.
Okay.
And I'm also going to sprinkle some celery salt.
We really like our rosemary oil, don't we?
Yep, we do.
Perfect. Good job. How much salt are you gonna put on?
A good amount.
A good amount. Okay. That's good.
Like considering a good amount.
You always like 2 pinches, I think. 2 pinches looks good. Good job. And now we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna do 400 degrees, and it's gonna go fast, about 6 minutes.
Okay, so to go along with our dinner, we're gonna roast potatoes. And so to do that, we're gonna put the rosemary oil on it. And you just kind of drizzle it over all of them because you want them all to be kind of coated. Okay.
Perfect.
And then we're gonna put salt on it.
There's celery salt.
The celery salt.
Perfect.
Then we're gonna put some pepper on to go along with the salt. And then to make sure it all gets in, we're going to toss it. Just mix it all up.
And then we're gonna roast them at 425 degrees. And the way they've been so nicely evenly cut, we'll probably only need to roast them for about 25 minutes. Okay, our first batch of chicken fingers have come out, and now Roman's gonna check the temperature. This awesome digital thermometer, which is great. Make sure to turn it on, Ro. Perfect. So this digital thermometer has really helped me to make sure I don't overcook my chicken. So we're at 165, so we're good. Go ahead and pull that out. And we're good to go. Okay, dinner is served. We're gonna go enjoy our meal. We just like to say,
Bon appetit.